Hey there crew, it's Mark Fig and I go by MENWHOBULLET here on YouTube as well as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and over on my blog and website, menwhobullet.com. And in these videos, we're gonna be slowly just showing you what's inside of this Archer and Olive subscription box that's coming up for June. So far we have a water bottle, we have a very colorful looking traveler's notebook, which I'm excited about, and today I'm showing you another item, which is going to be merit badge stickers. So if you've ever gone to camp or been a part of Girl Scouts or Boy Scouts, you know the merit badges are all about good things. It's rewarding you for doing things that's out of your comfort zone. So let's go ahead and see what each one of these merit badges is going to earn you this year with our June subscription box. The first merit badge is successful brainstorming session. That's definitely something good that you would want to tell yourself about. The next is making a mistake. And it was okay, we survived, right? Try hard at something new, that's always a good merit badge to give yourself. Get out of your comfort zone, right? Created something just because. That I need to do just for fun sometimes. I'm always very functional and focused. I just need to create something just to create. The other one is created before scrolling social media. That is a hard one to do because usually that's where we're getting inspiration from. I mean, it's what I've built my entire hobby off of, is creating inspiration. And the last one is set up the month before the month started. That'll never happen, so that'll be a merit badge that will turn old and crusty before. No, I'm just kidding. I sometimes do that. So you're gonna get 2 of these as a part of this sticker set, and they're the same ones on both of these sheets here. So great things to give yourself, hand out to friends, or put inside of your bullet journal or planners. And that is now the third thing we've taken a look at as a part of this subscription box. Archer and Olive doing things totally different this time. As I mentioned, you'll see 7 out of 9 things as a part of this subscription box by the 30th. So if you have paused your subscription box before, you have until May 30th to undo that and make sure you're getting this box. And if you are not yet subscribed, you will have your chance to as well. Anytime those things pop up, I'll be sure to put all the links down in the descriptions below, and we'll keep our list going of things that are inside of this upcoming June subscription box from Archer and Olive. I'll talk to you next time when we have our next full reveal of an item, and I'm so excited to share that one with you. See ya.